Welcome back, guys. Another video in our playlist JavaScript. Okay, an incredible journey. We will learn something new today. We will learn together the function on JavaScript. Okay, let's start together. Here's our index.js. Okay, we will learn together what it mean function, how to use function. Also, we will learn about how to call and where we can call the function. Okay, first of all, I will make some comments there. Always I use command to make to clarify things. Okay. First of all, I make the command reusable code. Second command function. Okay, this is our basic function. Name it myFN, and then we can call it outside like so. myFN. Okay, good job. Now, if you want, we can write something within our function again. Okay, so we can also write a small command there. This is the place where we can call our invoke function. Okay, good job. Now we go within our function and we log something if you want. Okay. For example, you can write console log hello from different function or something like that. It's just a simple message in order to test. Okay, we haven't anything. And now we have hello from fn function. It's executed successfully. Good job. Okay. This is a very basic function. How to use, how to call. Okay, we can call it several times if you want to see the result. Okay, save and see together. Okay, it's shown successfully several times on the console. Okay, it's very simple. Just try to concentrate with me. Okay. Generally, we have to pass if you want some parameters or argument to the functions. Okay, it is a general or is the global idea. Okay, and we will pass the parameter also on the console like so. Okay, I just make some tests to see together the main use or how to use function. Okay, let's remove them. Okay, read out for example 20 as a default parameter. Okay, 20 is shown successfully for all calls. Okay, good job. Now, if you want, we can specify the unit parameter or the specific parameter. Okay, for example, we pass any man as a parameter. Okay, pass it also on the console. Okay, it is undefined because he is missing on the call. Okay, so we should pass for every call the one which is a required parameter. For example, we pass for every function is parameter, then successfully shown on the console. Congratulations and good job. Okay, let's go forward and see together how it works. Okay. And now, if you want, we can add the other parameter if you want. Name2. Okay. We add name2 there. Okay. New one, comma, and we add also the second parameter name2. Okay, good job. Now we need to pass two parameters for every function. Okay. You have to pass 2 and 10 there. We have to pass also 5. Okay, good job. Save and see together. We have for the three first functions displayed successfully, and for the other two, we have undefined because the second parameter is missing there. Okay, it's so simple. Okay, we have to try to make some tests. If we make null, we will see together how it works. Okay, null is shown. 2 and second parameter is null on the console. Okay, or the final function we have always undefined because we haven't any parameters. Second parameter is missing. Okay, now if you want, we can console log num1 plus num2. Okay, congratulations, it's run successfully. Okay, and then we have not a number and not a number for the two final on the end of the concept. Okay, not an NaN does mean not a number. Okay, because we have only one parameter. We should have two parameters. Okay, make it as a command like so. Good job. Okay, then we see to make if you want, you can make other tests. Okay, you can add null there. Okay, if you add null, it's not a number, but it shows the first parameter, which is 9. Okay, because null is like a 0 or like an empty value. Okay, good job. You can add another call there, my F1. We'll see how to pass and what we can pass. 10, and you can pass a string there. Okay. Now we see that make it as a concatenated, 10 and null concatenated. Okay. We call it concatenation with null, which is a string. Okay, save sample. Okay, good job. Now we can make another call there. Okay. Inside we have 50 and a true. Okay, which together it's equal to 51 on the console. Okay, that's why, because true equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. Okay, for this one we make the concatenation, it gives 51. Good job. Now we can make some comments there in order to clarify things. Okay, the default parameter, we can make we can add the default parameter on ECMAScript 6. We can make it. Okay, the name2, for example, equal to 0 has a default parameter. Okay, we'll see together how it works. Okay, now I will make this command. Always I use command to clarify things. Okay, default value of name2 is 0. Good job. Okay, now we have a tiny problem if we don't pass the second parameter, because by default equal to 0. Okay, we'll show the results. All things are successfully shown and successfully executed. Good job. You make always command, which is a void function, because it doesn't return anything. Okay, those commands help us to uh, see the results and to know more and more. Good job. Now, if you want, we can declare let result and use the object literal. For example, the result is, and we make the $sign num1, for example. Okay, plus num2 inside the curly brackets. So you should make for each parameter his $sign and curly brackets. Okay, like so. Equal to num1 plus num2 in the same curly brackets. Okay, good job. Okay, then we see. Okay, we can log the result now if you want. Okay, like so. Okay, congratulations, the result is shown successfully. Good job. Okay. Now if you want to show the result on the HTML file, okay, we see together how it works or what you can do. Can do the document.write. Okay. Sorry, document like so, dot write, and we pass the result as a parameter like so. Okay, save and see together. Congratulations, it's shown successfully on our HTML file. Okay. Now if you make it outside and we try to execute the first one, which is undefined. Okay. We should together why it's undefined. Okay, because we haven't any return. So we should add the return result. Congratulations. Okay, now it's shown successfully. The result is there on the HTML file. Okay, good job. It's a sample. Okay, we can add another document.write to write the second result of the second call, like so. Good job. Save and see together. Okay, also it's shown successfully. It's just a small test to see together how it works. Okay, good job. Let's remove. Okay, good job. Okay, it's so simple. Hope that you love this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you next video.